Ka Indian Oil Corporation Ltd mentagasi ka laplai thamai ki tyndong lyer shet jingshet yak balatip kum ki Indian composite LPG cylinder bat kini ki tyndong kiladi da ki plastic omshu da kinar kumbo julong baro shikata ya kini ki tyndong lyer shet jingshet bathamai ka dei ka MS Longkme Gas Agency Laban Shillong lapli pai ba yakini da Satyakam Sharma manager kini ki tyndong kin pensuk ru ki pai ba namar ba ka jingkhya kamlong shu laipu kilu ka jingkhya hanrei kalade tang khandu kilu ka jingkhya bat habadon ka jinglai ler kadom dan shu ka jing bthei hanrei kan shu hi bat kan light na ka jingmai ki bri ba punon kam hayeng na kalyang jong Satyakam Sharma ulai thu ba yakini ki tyndong la ru panyu I langba ka jingdon kal air shet jingshet.
So this is a message that we would like to bring at this hour. Apart from that, from the practical point of view, especially for elderly citizens, this is a very handy cylinder. If there is no younger people at home, in times if a cylinder gets over, bring in the old cylinder, the metal cylinder, which the weight is almost 30 kg. It's very difficult for them. But with this 15-16 kg cylinder, it is very easy to maneuver from one room to the other room within the kitchen. Apart from that, being lightweight, it's also aesthetic. Apart from that, anti-rust. So especially what Mr. Satyakam has said today, this is meant as for our premium customers. So with the modernized kitchen, this very cylinder, this composite cylinder that is being launched today, this also becomes a sort of a decorative piece in every kitchen, in every household. And it's a prestige issue as well. It's a pride of the household and the housewife. And especially this year, only on the 8th of March, recently, the world has celebrated the Women's International Day. So we dedicate these composite cylinder, especially to our women folks throughout the nation of India and for the state of Meghalaya. So I think through these cylinders today that we are going to launch, this will pave a way, and it's my request to all our customers who are availing this composite cylinders today to spread this message far and wide to your friends, to your families, so that the market will pick up.
What I would request our esteemed customers, that most of you have 2 cylinders in your households. That is the double bottle connection. Most of you are having 2 cylinders in your household. You can exchange 1 cylinder at least with this composite cylinder. So you will have to pay the differential amount of this security deposit. Rest of the things are same. The cost of the gas and all these things are same. Now, at any point of time, if you feel, or if you are getting transferred to some remote places where you feel that availability of these cylinders will be a doubtful case, or you after use of certain period, if you feel that no, I will have to go back to the normal cylinder, that can also you can do that also. You can return the composite cylinders and again you can switch over to the normal cylinder. So it is not like that you have taken these composite cylinders, you will have to continue. You can continue. We always suggest that you should continue because it is our new product, it has got new features, so we are trying to propagate these cylinders. But if you feel that I should go back to the cylinder, that option is also there. So you can take a new connection entirely with a composite cylinder, or you can take a new connection with double bottle cylinder, that is 2 composite cylinders, or if you can exchange your existing cylinders with the composite cylinders. And regarding the benefits of these cylinders, the benefit is mainly, although it has got several benefits, but I believe that you will appreciate that it has got 2 very good distinct benefits. One is it's lighter. Since it is material is plastic and it's not a steel material, so it's quite light. In case of your 14.2 kg, that is the conventional cylinders, the weight is almost 30 kg. 14.2 kg your weight of the gas, and remaining 15 to 16 kg your weight of the empty cylinder. So it is coming 30 kg. So at times it is very difficult it is very difficult for an old man or for a housewife to just leave the cylinders alone. But in case of these composite cylinders, it's very light, so anyone can just by one hand it can lift the cylinder. So it is very handy. It is very handy for bringing it from here and there, and especially I believe in city like Shillong. This is almost like a hilly area, so it will be quite helpful for you because it is very light. So here it is the weight of the cylinder is only around 10 kg, and I mean only 5 to 6 kg, and the gas weight of the gas is 10 kg. So it is only 15 kg, 15 to 16 kg at the most. But in case of the normal cylinder, it is 30 kg.